Yeah, man. It's Man Bun Monday. I had to do some creative bun cropping so you could see my head. Folks, we are in a game. The first move is E4. Our opponent is rated 1759 chess.com rating points. Like I say, the most useless digital currency on the internet. He's not impressed with anyone's anything. Sunday killing it yet again. Oh, our opponent wants the castle so bad. Do I sack a pawn? How do you, what if I, can I just, but what if he, but what then if, I don't know, guys. I don't know how to play chess. I don't know how to play chess. How's your day going, Tom? It's going great, man. It's going absolutely wonderful. Everything you could always wanted in a day and less. Nice hair, bro. Lies. Thank you. It's Man Bun Monday. Now, have I ever put the man bun on like on a Tuesday? I know I've come in on like a Monday and thought it was Tactics Tuesday and didn't put my bun on. So, you know, like, dude, where's my car? Dude, what day is it? Simply develop the Amigos pieces. Tom Proctor, Man Bun Monday, kicking off the stars for the day with 200 stars. Thank you, Tom Proctor.
Man Bun Monday.
I watched some chess earlier. I watched a little bit of Elden Ring. When I say watched, you know what I mean by that. I watched YouTube videos. Okay, this cannot be Grandmaster move, but I don't know how to defeat it. I think I can get that bishop with knight d5. Here's where I stop and say hello, because we absolutely need to find the correct plan. I need to find the correct plan. Jonathan No Love Thrasher with 100 Facebook gaming stars on a 62-week streak. Thrasher might have one of the longest. He definitely has one of the longest streaks. My, what a long streak you have, sir. Thank you. The most important thing to understand is I'm not wacky. I'm not wacky. Was that scene even working, guys? Let me see. Let me see what it looks like. Yeah, it works. It works. It looks better with the screen removal, but we've been doing screen normal for chess stream, background removal for Elden Ring, and now we will focus on the absolute best move in the game of chess, which is the development of the knight, acquiring. God, is that the move? This is not the move. This is the move. Maybe a little wacky, says Jacob. Man, Jacob, yeah, might have called me on it. Dave Joyce says, good evening, Charlie and Chillers. Still on his vacation. Dave Joyce, are you still on vacation? When, in fact, do you come home? Oh, that's probably not a bad move, guys. It doesn't do anything. Queen F3 could really be a move, guys. LG4 Queen. It's Grandmaster move. Oh, no, 95. 95, folks. You absolutely hate to see the knight e5 maneuver. The knight e5 maneuver. It's a good move, guys. Queen f3 off the Facebook gaming table. Queen e2? Queen d3. Same. Queen
Good
d5.
evening, everyone. Scissor medium light skin tone, sign of the horns medium skin tone, biceps dark skin tone.
That was music to my ears. Tom Proctor with the 1,000 Facebook Gaming Stars trade with the 1,000 Facebook Gaming Stars for the first time. I don't know what to do here, guys. Maybe back. Or maybe here. Nope, knight c5. Dude, did I screw this up that bad? Did I screw this up that bad, guys? Or like I don't have a move? I'm playing f4. I know it's probably not best move. It's not Grandmaster move, but everything sucked around 95, so I'm like, whatever happens, happens. Up in a sub for 7 months, man. Steve, thank you, man. Kyle Odell with the 330 Facebook Gaming Stars. 7 month, man. Steve, I didn't realize that. Thank you, man. I really appreciate you guys. The subs are real. If you're interested in subscribing, link in description. I will also put the bot up now, so my wonderful mods do not have to tell me. Bot, please, plays the c6 maneuver. Now we played this one with it because it's checked. I just played it, guys. Is Grandmaster move? I don't know. Zemo, how you doing, man? Okay, now, this is not this anymore. Do we win a piece? Do we win a piece, guys? With this move. Oh, we have to play this. Yeah, so it feels good, bro. I feel like takes, pawn takes, e5. I think I'm okay here, guys. I think we do this. Diminish. I just took a piece. He has to do this, and his king has been completely and utterly gutted, folks. The knight will be gone. The queen will come to this square, or maybe this square. I have this now. Interesting. This attacks the queen and attacks the pawn. This attacks the bishop, makes the fork, then attacks the pawn. There is a queen, pin, and e5, guys, getting his thing back. So I think we do this now. Queen check, we just got to move our king. So he might have been a little bit dubious. So let's get a snooze on the spammer. I'm sure you guys already got it. Right. Now, if queen takes, knight takes, rook takes, pawn takes. I don't want to trade queens. I don't want to trade queens. I'm a Toys R Us kid. Right? Oh, I think we take this first probably. And then take this. You know what I'm saying? But you know what? I think we take here first. It's fine. Then we take this. Then we take this. And it's just like, happy king hunting, folks. How are we doing on time? 8:51, man. F7 may be worth considering. Did I have F7 check or something? Yeah, the suck him out maneuver, man. The old suck him out maneuver. Takes. He will play rook takes check first. Then I take. Then he takes. Then I can check. A very popular maneuver among most of my friends is this move, threatening check and mate. Is Grandmaster move. In addition to not letting him play rook takes rook check. This could be Grandmaster move. This could be Grandmaster move. You get Grandmaster move. Everybody gets Grandmaster move. You absolutely love to see it, folks. I'm a little excited, guys. I'm hopped up on the coffee. I gotta calm down. I don't want to be too wacky here, guys. It's a simple situation of guys, material is completely even. It could just simply be queen. Is Grandmaster idea. This is maybe not Grandmaster's move, but it might be a trick. Because then if he defends, then we come here. You guys feeling that? You guys feeling that idea? This is a trap. Attack the pawn. He can defend it. Either way he defends it, I will attack. So I'm going to attack the pawn. And if bishop here to e7, then we will play this tricky queen move. And he locked his rook and his queen out from the second rank. Then he probably has to come back, and then we say checkmate. Oh, where's the mate? He finds safety in the comfort of the corner, folks. Knight takes. Do we just knight takes, rook takes, queen takes? How do we bring the last piece? Is there like a forky dorky anywhere? We could just play knight takes pawn. It's a real idea, folks. I think if we come here, I think we get this pawn anyway, and the rooks are connected. I'm gonna do it. I think I soaked it up, guys. Queen taking b2 could be a good move. It's a pawn, guys. He's pawn. He's my pawn. What is the best way to attack here, guys? I know I'm going to lose on time, guys. I know I'm going to lose on time. It's my life. Can I have my life, please? I got to move, guys. Queen h5 or queen d3. Dude, that was the longest think, man. Center comes in with 75, says, you inspired me to call my doctor after 45 years of smoking. Starting a plan next week. Dave Center. Love you, dude. Cheese the smoking boss, man. Cheese it. Throw everything at it. Puziki with the 50 stars. Says Beetlejuice. Friendly discovery is no big deal because he just does this, man. I kind of like this move. He'll play rook takes, queen takes. He's got pawns. We might have misplayed it. Maybe, oh, queen here. Queen to this move threatening. Grandmaster move. Queen d3. I found it. I found queen d3, folks. Finding the move queen d3. Oh, he just plays queen back, though. That kind of hurts. Stop your mate. Stop your mate. Stop your mate. That'll be fine. Then I'll play like this move to stop the back rank. Oh, no, maybe, right? And now, he can't bring a rook. He can't bring a rook. I think we do this. Low on time, folks. H5 for sure. He's done. H5. Really? H4? Wait, what do you do? Oh, it's a mate. There's a mate, folks. Okay, we have to make room. And I want to do it like this, but the dark squared bishop could be a problem. Oh my god, am I losing material here? Am I losing material here, folks? No. The knight cannot be touched because he's on the right colored square. So we'll just come here. We'll let him be pinned. Maybe like here? Wait, I kind of want to protect the rook, though. Or just protect the rook. This way? Doesn't do anything. Threaten the queen. Queen attacks my knight. Check to defend the rook. Ah! This could be a good move. Because he could check and then bishop check. But I like that better still than playing than lefting this way. This is a good move. It keeps the rook out, too. Good move. Oh, no, we can come this way. But then bishop. D5's a good move. Oh, I'm on his queen. I'm on the queen. Guys, I got 1 minute. Yeah, just kidding. Myself, the queen F5, G4. We're going to look at it after the game, guys. Chris says Beetlejuice 3 times with 50 Facebook gaming stars. Thank you, Chris. Hopefully he forgets that his queen is attacked. He won't. He wants to hit the knight ski, but he doesn't know how ski. So we will say check ski. I think if everything falls off the board right now, it could still be a draw. But I think I win because I got the double passers, man. You know what? Yeah. No, the connected passers have to win 2 to 4. My king just gets over here. You know what I mean? And I can start shoving one, making weaknesses. Maybe I don't know. I trade his queen for the rook. Low on time, folks. Defending the rook. So I think I gotta save my knight. I save it by taking. I think I gotta save it by taking, folks. And then rook takes, queen takes. And we are in a weird endgame where I have the checks. Right? Does this lose? I get the first check, folks. I get a pawn. It's huge because of the dark squares. You know what I'm saying? Oh, he can get a check and get this pawn. But we start shoving. Right. I don't think we defend the pawn. It's isolated. But if we do, there's no passers. I probably always will have a draw in hand. Hopefully. Now he starts shoving his passer, guys. So do I check, and then push? Do I check queen back? Nope. Now I'm the one that can't trade queens. I could get this pawn, he could get that pawn. I think it's a matter of pushing my pawn. I had a better check, guys. He can come up. He went there, I'm glad he did. Because I want to keep his king back there, and I want my queen as far advanced as I can. He needs to come to the dark squares to harass me, but I might be able to do this, and then the queen covers the light squares. Right? He wants a check. Right. We'll cut the baloney. Cut the amigos baloney. Protecting. Blocking. Yep. Now we push again. I take this one. He takes this one. I check and take that one. I'm very low on time. This is weak. I get 2 pawns. I'm taking them. I'm better. I think I'm better. I have 25 seconds to 13 minutes. Okay. Should have looked. He has no checks. I have lots of checks. If he comes for my pawn, Now we start checks, guys. I just checked because I didn't know what to do, guys. Draw the box. I might have blown it. I might have blown it, guys. Only way I can defend the pawn is like this. Bad. He pushes. Then I push. Push. He's taking the draw, guys. And I think I have to take it because I'm low on time. He did it. He did it. Okay. Is there a way to win? Pawns are protected. I got to be able to get the pawn, guys. Got to be able to get the pawn. Right? There's got to be a check to win this freaking pawn. Check. You know what I'm saying? And then I'll be up a pawn. He probably still can get the perpetual. Oh, man. Okay. He comes here with threats. He comes here with threats, guys. King up. And then if I take... Oh, no, my queen covers it, though. He has check, over, check, here, and he trades off. Okay. Get the king away from the amigo's king, folks. Get the king away from my freaking king. I won't get this with check, but I will get it without a mate threat. Okay. Check, king up, and there's no checks, right? He can threaten checks, but we have the advantage. We have the advantage. I think my queen wants to be close to my home. Just to be careful. You know what I'm saying? Because who's threatening mates here? He is. You know what I'm saying? Not actually threatening mates, but... Just for time, folks. Just for tiempos. Probably had a better move. If he plays here, I think we trade. Right. Trying not to give him the draw, guys. Trying not to give him the draw. I'm not sure where the not draw is. We're going to do this. And I need to push the pawn, so I'll push it one square. He probably should check me here. Guys, we're going for the win, guys. Is this a draw? I don't know. I'm not good. I'm supposed to study my end games, folks. Now I can check, and I think I have the opposition if he takes. Wow. This wins, right? This wins. I just keep the opposition. I just keep the opposition, right? He runs out of board. He comes here, we check. This wins, right? This wins. Did we beat him, guys? I think we might have beat him. Here, we push. Okay. If I come here, he comes here. I go again, he has to give away. So I can do this. And we just cheesed the 1759 boss. That was a good game. Oopsie. Oopsie. Oh, man. What did I say? We talked about this. Do the endgame lessons on chess.com. I'm not saying I played this right, guys. I'm just saying we saw I haven't looked at chat in 5 minutes. He resigned. He gets a thumbs up. I'm going to say great game, man. Great game, man. Yeah, man. You know what? I had the advantage.